POV, your life changes after you find DenSureFit. When I got dentures at 19 and over the years, it's been a lot of trial and error with adhesives just to be able to eat somewhat normally again. No matter what adhesive, what foods I was eating, I was always having a wobbly and loose denture. And up until I found DenSureFit, I thought having dentures meant not being able to eat normally again, and my life changed after finding DenSureFit. I cannot express to you how much I've eaten since I've had DenSureFit on my denture. I am able to eat as if I don't even have dentures in. And some days I forget I even have my dentures in because they feel so comfortable and natural. The reline, you can't even feel it on your denture, but it makes your denture fit absolutely perfect the way it was supposed to, and that's a feeling I never had until I had DenSureFit. Let me know how you think your life could change with DenSureFit in the comments. We want to know.